again. I tell you what, Betty's downstairs making one of her special dishes. A la something. I tell you what, that lady, she can't cook a damn lick. Every time she try to cook me something, she always trying to burn down the house. This is a secret. Don't tell Betty. She can't cook a lick. That one's gonna burn up his whole house. Every time she tries to do something better. But I said... Damn, lady. Woo-wee. Lasagna. Every time she made lasagna, she almost burned down the damn house. Betty! You better stop that cooking down there. You'll burn up this whole place. Phew. You know what I mean? I gotta put up with this stuff day and night and day cooking. Come on. Betty! Damn, what? It's cold out here. I gotta keep the damn window open. Sorry about this cuss, but hell, you live with somebody like that for a long time should turn a Christian into a damn sinner. What the hell was that? Sure is a nice day out here. Snowing though. Cold as the dickens out there. I can't even sit in my room and watch TV. Smoke inhalation. It's worse than living with 5 second-hand smoker. Stupid lady. La la la. I love my wife. Whew. Betty. Is it done yet? Damn. Who was that? Dukes of Hazzard? God. No. Smell like God. She burnt the damn house down. Billy, get me out of here.